what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Mscrisssy, and for today's video I have a summer fashion essentials that I want to share with you guys. So I hope you guys stick around and make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, comment down below, and make sure you guys turn your post notification on so you don't miss out on any of my video next time I upload. But yeah guys, let's go ahead and get this thing started. So I just want to let you guys know that you guys don't have to have the same exact thing that I have. This is my go-to items. This is just my personal style, my personal opinion. So I hope you guys like this video, and yeah, I just want to let you guys know that. And let's go ahead and get this thing started. The first summer fashion essentials that I want to share with you guys are all of my bottoms. I'm talking about denim shorts, denim jeans, biker shorts, skirts, whatever it is. First thing I want to share with you guys is my denim shorts. It's so funny when I got this. I actually got this in Melrose last week when I was out in LA, and it took me 2 to 3 hours to find the perfect one. I found the thrift store and I was like, you know what, they might have something in there. I went in there and guess what, my boyfriend got me this denim shorts. He was like, babe, you should try this on, and I tried it on. I was like, this looks like the $85 one. Guess what, I decided to get it. I bought it for $20. Thank God. Shout out to my boyfriend for helping me out because I was literally stressing out. Like, my goal was to find like the denim shorts. That's why I went to Melrose. But anyways, let's go ahead and talk about the next summer fashion essentials, and that would be my denim jeans. I love denim jeans, but there's only one particular denim jeans that I personally love, and that is boyfriend jeans or mom jeans. I don't know what it's called. I think it's called boyfriend jeans, girlfriend jeans, I don't know. But anyways, I'm talking about like the oversized, relaxed, loose jeans, okay? So I don't know, I'm just not really a big fan of skinny jeans. There's just something about it that's super uncomfortable. I feel like I can't sit around. I don't know, I'm just not really a big fan. So that's why, thankfully, we have a freaking boyfriend jeans and mom jeans, whatever you want to call it. But anyways, I love my boyfriend jeans, and the jeans that I have is actually from Levi's. I only have one pair of boyfriend jeans because that's the only thing you need. I freaking love the ones that I got from a flea market, I believe in Fairfax, and it was like the best decision ever. You guys probably have seen it on my Instagram too. I posted a picture about it, and a lot of you guys have asked me about it, like, where'd you get this from? It's so hard. I wish I have a link for you, but yeah, I got it from a flea market in Fairfax. And yeah, the next fashion summer essentials that I have for you guys is biker shorts. Your girl loves biker shorts. I don't know if you guys have seen me wear biker shorts, but I freaking love biker shorts. There's just something about it that's just super nice, easy to put on, and I feel like it's so basic, but at the same time it's fashionable. You can dress it up, dress it down, whatever it is. Or if you feel like you're just doing some errands and you just want to add some graphic t-shirts, go for it because it still looks nice. So the next summer fashion essentials that I have for you guys is a freaking skirt. I'm sure a lot of you guys do have a pair of skirts, but anything that has to do with skirts, I feel like you could wear a crop top, you know, or maybe like a t-shirt and tuck it in, and I feel like it does make a big difference with your wardrobe. I feel like it's more fashionable than just like a denim shorts. Now that we're done talking about the bottoms, let's talk about the tops. As you guys can see, I'm wearing a bodysuit, and this is actually a swimwear, but you can wear it as a bodysuit because what I'm wearing right now, look, this is like summertime. Like, this is my fashion summer essentials. Like, this is my go-to if I were to go to a beach right now or to swimming pool party, whatever it is. This is definitely something I would wear. Or even if you're out and about with your friends at the lake or something like that, this is something I would wear if I'm really just trying to get tan and show off a little bit and still look fashionable because I'm wearing some neon green and just add some accessories. I feel like it does make a big difference. So the next fashion summer essentials that I have for you guys is crop top. I'm sure a lot of you guys do have 1 to 10 crop tops in their wardrobe, but for me, I love a freaking crop top for the summertime. I feel like it's so easy to put on and easy to style, and I feel like it just goes with everything you wear, like skirts, jeans, whatever it is. I feel like it goes with a lot of things for the summertime. So the next summer fashion essentials that I have for you guys are graphic t-shirts, or t-shirts in general. It doesn't have to be a graphic t-shirts, but for me, that's like my go-to if I'm trying to do some errands, or I'm trying to go to the mall and get something real quick, or if I'm really just trying to eat a lot of food. Because yes, crop top, it looks nice, it makes you look sexy, makes you look good, but sometimes there's days when you just have to plan out your days and be like, where are you going today? Okay, well, if you're going to a party, that means you're gonna have to eat a lot of food. And guess what? I'm not gonna wear a crop top. I'm gonna go ahead and go for my freaking graphic t-shirt and still look stylish and eat as much as I can and drink as much as I can. And that's that for the summertime for me. So the next summer fashion essentials that I have for you guys is a sundress, dress, any kind of dress. But for me, I personally love wearing sundress because I feel like it looks good on my body. I'm really short, I'm only 5'3", and I feel like a nice sundress just makes you look like skinny, taller, and appealing. And that's why I love a freaking sundress. So the next summer fashion essentials that I have for you guys are rompers, jumpsuits, whatever it is. For me, I personally love my jumpsuit, even though it is kind of like annoying to take it off whenever you pee or use the bathroom in general. For me, it's like easy to put on. I don't have to find like a top or a bottom. It's just one. I feel like it's like the best thing ever you could ever go for the summertime. If you're like trying to go somewhere and you're late and you only have 5 minutes to get ready, that's something I would go for. If it's like a dressy jumpsuit, definitely wear heels with it or sandals. But for me, all of my jumpsuits are somewhat like streetwear and more relaxed, so I just wear like a Nike Air Force with it. Now, the next summer fashion essentials that you guys need in your life, definitely your shoes. Shoes, let's talk about Converse. Converse goes with a lot of things. Just wear some Converse, you're good to go. It's like the best thing you can wear for a festival, or if you're like at a party or like a day party. I feel like it's a summer essential that you guys need in your wardrobe. So the next summer fashion essentials that I have for you guys is my Nike Air Force. If you guys know me, you guys have probably seen me in person wearing this like multiple times, because I actually got this on my birthday and I was super excited because I've been wanting this for so long. I actually had them before when I was a little kid, like in high school, but I've been wanting this for so long, and thankfully my boyfriend got it for me for my birthday. And shout out to you, by the way, for making this happen, because your girl looks so cute with it. And yeah, I feel like it just goes with a lot of things. I travel with it wherever I go, and I feel like it's just my go-to for my summertime. So the next summer fashion essentials that I have for you guys is wearing heels for the summertime, especially if you're going to a wedding, for like birthdays, or going on a date. I feel like it's definitely a must for summertime. You don't have to always wear like Converse, Vans, or Adidas. I feel like there's certain times, certain days, certain occasion that you have to wear heels. And yeah, I feel like it's definitely a essential that you definitely need for the summertime. Now let's go ahead and talk about my summer fashion essentials that you definitely need in your life. I feel like this makes a big difference in your wardrobe, and that is accessories. Yes, I'm talking about hats, I'm talking about sunglasses, I'm talking about jewelry, and I'm talking about bags. So let's go ahead and talk about bags. For me, I personally love wearing Fanny pack at the moment. I feel like you put a lot of things in it, like my makeup, my wallet, my credit card, you know, my sunglasses in it. The one that I actually have right now that I personally love is my Supreme bag, even though that's the only thing that I wear all the time, because it's like I don't want to have to wear like big bags unless I'm shooting and I have to put a lot of things in it. But for me, if I'm going to an event, I would just go for a Fanny pack. I feel like it's so easy to use, and you can wear with a lot of things, and you can put it on your waist, you can just hang it on your shoulder, you can just hold it, whatever it is, how you want to wear it. But for me, I love my Fanny pack for the summertime. The next summer fashion essentials that I have for you guys is sunglasses. I don't know if you guys don't follow me on my Instagram yet, but you guys should definitely follow me on my Instagram at Mscrisssy. But if you guys don't follow me there, I'm gonna tell you this now. All my pictures have sunglasses in. I feel like sunglasses does make a big difference with your outfit. It has to be like the right sunglasses. It can't be just like the same exact thing over and over again. I feel like small sunglasses, big sunglasses, and round sunglasses, like it makes a big difference. So definitely get yourself some sunglasses, especially summertime. So hot. Sunglasses is definitely a must for the summertime. Next summer fashion essentials that I have for you guys is jewelry. If I were to wear this right now with no jewelry, I would look like a basic bitch. But since I have it on, I look important as fuck. And yes, it's true. Accessories or jewelry in general does make a big difference, so definitely get you something for the summertime. Alright guys, that's all I got for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, comment down below, and turn your post notification on so you don't miss out on any of my video next time I upload. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!